Hey there, gearheads! Let's talk about something crucial for your car's health: oil changes. Think of engine oil as your car's lifeblood. It keeps everything running smoothly, reducing friction and preventing nasty engine wear. Over time, oil gets dirty and breaks down, losing its effectiveness. That's where regular oil changes come in. Fresh oil keeps your engine happy and performing at its best. Skipping oil changes is like skipping your veggies. Not a good idea. Neglecting this vital maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the road. Trust me, a little oil change now can save you a lot of headaches and money later. Changing your own oil is totally doable, even for beginners. It's a great way to save some cash and gain a deeper understanding of your vehicle. Plus, there's a sense of satisfaction that comes with tackling DIY projects. So let's roll up our sleeves and get this done. Before we dive in, let's gather our tools. Having everything on hand makes the process smoother. You wouldn't start baking a cake without ingredients, right? Here's what you'll need. New oil. Check your owner's manual for the correct type and amount. New oil filter. Again, consult your manual for the right one. Wrench, to loosen the drain plug. Oil filter wrench, for removing the old filter. Drain pan to catch the old oil. Funnel, for pouring new oil without making a mess. Gloves, protect those hands from hot oil and grime. Safety glasses, essential for eye protection. Jack and jack stands, optional, for easier access under the car. Rags or paper towels for cleanup. Remember, safety is paramount. Working on your car can be dangerous if you're not careful. Always wear safety glasses and gloves, and never work under a car supported only by a jack. Jack stands are your best friends here. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Follow these steps for a successful oil change. 1. Warm up the engine. Drive your car for a few minutes to warm up the oil. This helps it flow better, but don't let it get too hot. 2. Park on a level surface. This ensures accurate oil draining. Engage the parking brake. 3. Locate the oil drain plug. It's usually on the underside of the engine, facing the rear of the car. Position the drain pan underneath. 4. Loosen the drain plug. Use the wrench to loosen the plug, turning it counterclockwise. Be prepared for hot oil to start flowing out. 5. Remove the drain plug. Once it's loose enough, unscrew the plug by hand and let the oil drain completely. This might take a few minutes. 6. Replace the drain plug. Once the oil is drained, clean the plug and screw it back in tightly. Don't over-tighten. 7. Locate and remove the oil filter. It's usually cylindrical and located near the engine block. Use the oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it. 8. Prepare the new filter. Lubricate the rubber gasket on the new filter with a little fresh oil. 9. Install the new filter. Screw the new filter in by hand until it's snug. Don't over-tighten. 10. Add new oil. Using the funnel, carefully pour the correct amount of new oil into the engine. Check your owner's manual for the specific amount. 11. Check the oil level. With the engine off, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. Then, pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and remove it again. 12. Add more oil if needed. The oil level should be between the two marks on the dipstick. Add more oil if needed, checking the level frequently. Section 4. Safety first, always. I can't stress this enough. Safety is paramount. Here are some crucial safety reminders. Work in a well-ventilated area. Exhaust fumes are dangerous. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands for safety. Let the engine cool. Hot oil can cause serious burns. Dispose of used oil properly. Take it to a recycling center or designated drop-off point. Never pour it down the drain. Keep a fire extinguisher handy just in case of emergencies. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Take your time, follow these precautions, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about anything. Section 5. Clean up and hit the road. With fresh oil coursing through its veins, your car is ready to roll. But first, let's tidy up. Carefully lower the car from the jack stands if you use them. Double check for leaks. Start the engine and check under the car for any oil leaks. Clean up. Wipe up any spills and dispose of used oil and filters properly. Wash your hands. Get that grime off. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your car's oil like a pro. Pat yourself on the back and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Section 6. Keep track and keep going. Regular oil changes are key to a healthy engine. Make a note of the date and mileage of your oil change so you know when it's time for the next one. Consult your owner's manual for recommended oil change intervals. But generally, every 3,000 miles or 3 months is a good rule of thumb. By taking care of your car, you're ensuring its longevity and performance. And remember, there's no better feeling than knowing you can tackle DIY tasks like a true gearhead. Drive safe and keep those engines humming.